Alright guys, so today we're gonna do a will it start video. We've got a Z125 that's been sitting in the weeds for quite some time. So here we go. Bee blaster. This was a can I just bought last week. Alright, and we're gonna get the fuel. I got some unleaded fuel here. And then we're gonna go I don't even know if it's still here. No, it's here. It looks like it's here. Whoa. Oh, jeez. No snakes. Alright. Alright. We're gonna take some PV blaster there and some in the keyhole. Put this back up there. See where this key is. It's seized up. Oh man. Yeah, battery's dead. Let me get the ignition working. Let me see if we can. Oh. Alright. See if I can push up. And I guess we're not gonna be doing a will it start on this thing tonight. Oh! Guys, it started to move. Oh, I got it to move, guys. Oh, I can't believe this thing just worked. Alright, that's awesome. So, anyway, when I first bought this bike, it was stolen from me. And that was not cool. It has some sort of fuel in it, but now that I've got the tank full, alright, we're just gonna leave the key. Actually, we've got to remove the seat and see what's going on with the battery. I think it's right there. Okay. Yeah, I bought a Duralast battery. You would think that it'd be a good battery, but guess not. Let me see if I can get this thing out of the weeds. Now that we've got the bike out of the weeds, it's not perfect, but it was really, really fun. We're gonna push it into the garage, get the battery charged up, see if we can fire it up.